That's the first wife. This is the second wife. That's the husband hat.
The second wife's hat is that one.
Amagana. This is the greeting from the Kuria community. Bomas of Kenya. This name comes from a Swahili name, Boma. Today guys, I'm here. I'll be interacting with people around this place when wamekuja kutembea kama mimi.
Katrina the traveler.
To come to this amazing place, it's easy. From Nairobi CBD, you just pick a matatu number 125 ama 126 that is going to Rongai. Then from there you can take a tuk-tuk ama a boda. Also, you can take a taxi, which will cost approximate 500 Kenya shillings. And the entrance fee is just 200 bob for Kenyan residents and 1,000 bob for non-residents. So people, be with me and please don't forget to subscribe as I introduce another girl I am with, whom I'll be vlogging together with. Karibu sana mamake. Hey, wewe. Hey, waonyeshe. Say hi to my people.
Hi guys, welcome to Katrina the Traveler. Today we are here at Bomas of Kenya, as she has said. So you're gonna see more today. We're gonna show you. Stay tuned.
The first village I'll show you is for the Kuria Community. And this is how their village used to look like. Okay, kama kawaida, they had a gate hapa. Then once you get inside, you are going to find this. This looks like watchman used to stay here. Okay, there's nothing that is written, there's no details, so I'm not so sure about what used to be there. Then there's this house. Also, it's made up of mud. In Kikuyu we call it doro. This is the first wife hut. I can't be able to see there are two dolls. Oh my goodness, amazing. Let me get inside. It's so dark. Wait. And then there is the window. Can you see it? This is the third wife hut. Here we have the husband's hut. Okay. To be honest, I don't understand how the husband's hut is here and the first wife hut is all the way there, and the second wife hut, for me, I feel the first wife hut should be there. Okay, then we have the married son's hut. That's how it looked like. Oh, okay, I don't understand also about this thing about the married son. Please, if you're from Kuria Community, let me know. That means you used to stay there with your wives, or what was happening? Please let me know. Then we have the unmarried son's hut, wenye hawakuwa wamepata jiko. Then we also have the grandmother's hut. Oh, okay. Then the second wife hut is right there. Moni, how do you find this? For me, it seems complicated. The way you're starting with the first wife hut there. Then the husband's hut is all the way there.
You see her first wife.
That's the first wife. Then this is the second wife. That's
No.
the husband's hut.
The second wife's hat is that one.
Oh, the third wife, sorry. The third wife akopale. That's the first wife.
Hey.
Yeah. But there I'm like, oh, Connie, what's up? Because I feel the husband's hut is supposed to be there. Then you have the first, second, then third. Anyway, I'm not from that community.
Different, exactly. So we don't know. That's why we are here to learn.
Anyway, if you are from Kuria Community, please comment hapo chini. Comment hapo chini because we are doing this series.
Help us understand.
Yeah, please. Because maybe I might get married to your place being the third wife. Na niwekwe huko. And for me, I want to be at the middle. Then, kitu ingine si, hii kosa kitu ya bwana kuwa huko. It doesn't make sense to me because as a husband, supposed to offer security. Ama ni mimi na overthink. if you're from Kuria Community, please help me. Comment on the comment section so that you can know more about this village. Mnafaidu kukiwa the Bomas of Kenya.
Ni kuzuri sana, mtu na enjoy. Kusifu sana.
Msalimie mude wenu ama
tutamsalimia. Mude wetu Mr. Cherure, Madam Stella, Madam Ann, Madam
Mr. Principal. Hata yasalimikia hapo.
Yasalimikia hapo kwa nyumbani.
Okay. And your other students?
Wao wako huko tu wanazurura hivi. Tukingoja kuanza.
Sawa. Asanteni sana. Okay, if you want to see the video, mwambie wa subscribe to Katrina the Traveler YouTube channel. Wataiona next week. Enjoy. If you love music, this is your place. There is also a beautiful hotel where you can have your meals. Can you guess the village I'll show you next week? It's simple. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then wait for next week. See you!